Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're tackling one of the best ways to expand your reporting capabilities by importing and using custom visuals from the app source, allowing you to add dynamic, cutting-edge charts right into your report. Step 1. Importing from app source. In Power BI Desktop, look at your Visualizations pane on the right side. Click the three dots at the bottom of the pane and select Get More Visuals. This opens the official Microsoft Visual Store right within your application. Step 2. Locate the visual. You can browse, filter by category, or use the search bar. For today's example, let's search for the animated bar race visual. Step 3. Install. Select the visual you want, click the blue Add button, and confirm the import message. Once successfully added, the new visual icon will immediately appear in your local Visualizations pane, ready to be dropped onto your report canvas. Step 2. Configuring the animated bar race. Now that it's imported, let's configure the visual using our data. First, add the visual to the canvas. Click the new visual icon in your Visualizations pane to add the placeholder to your report canvas. Then, define rankings. Drag your category name field, which identifies the items you want to rank, into the category bucket. Next, define time dimension. Drag a date dimension, such as order date, into the time dimension bucket. It's important here to ensure you set the date granularity to something that works for animation, like start of month. This is the key setting that drives the visual's motion over time. Finally, drag your key measure, such as total orders or sum of sales, into the values bucket. With these fields configured, the visual will immediately start running, showing dynamic rankings as you design your report. Step 3. Removing a custom visual. To maintain a clean report, here's how you remove a visual you no longer need. First, select the visual on your report canvas. Then go back to the Visualizations pane, click the three dots again, and select Remove a Visual. Confirm the removal. This deletes the visual from your current report file, but it remains accessible in the store if you need it later. Understanding custom visuals allows you to add stunning, dynamic, and specialized visualizations to your reports, truly elevating your data storytelling. I hope this helps you out, and I see you in the next one.